guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will try one of the best trending hair dryer in social media, in Facebook and Instagram. So I'm just curious about this hair dryer. So I bought this in Amazon for $80. So we have here Hot Tools. So Hot Tools one-step blowout volumizer. You can see this, guys. Oh, sorry. So this Hot Tools, it has 24 karat gold.
Damn!
Wow, it's a gold. Wow, it's amazing, right? So yeah, what are we waiting? We're gonna open this up. Okay guys, so we already opened the Hot Tools. Look at that. Look at that. Look.
Okay.
At that. It's so beautiful. Look at that. So as I've said earlier, it has 24 karat gold.
Damn!
This one is 2-in-1. It's a hair brush and hair dryer. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this one. Okay, and the wire, guys. So yeah, the wire is one I don't know if it is 2 meters. I think almost, I don't know how many meters one like this. So almost 2 yards. I don't know, but yeah, the wire is, it's nice. The wire, it's kind of long. It's, yeah, you can, I like it. And yeah, this is the plug. The red one, it says reset, and the yellow, it's test. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the settings here. So we have here off, cool, low, and high. We dry our hair. Let's put a protection spray. Tresemme. Okay, my left side, guys, it's done already. I already dry my hair. So look at the difference, guys. So this is with Hot Tools, this side, and this one is without. Look at the difference. It's really huge difference, right? It's very shiny. It's very soft. Look at that. It's amazing, right? Wow. Okay, I can't wait to go. Okay, let's go to the other side. Already dry my hair both sides. Look at that. Seems like I went to Salon, right? Like, you know, like when you do rebonding, it seems like that, right? It's very stunning. This hair was stunning. So every day I have a reband hair. My god. I have a lot of baby hair here in the forehead, you know. Yeah, I know. Look at my muscle. The other side. Oh, look at that. Wow. I'm just kidding. You see the result of Hot Tools, these ones. I really love this hair dryer because we don't need, as women, we don't need to go to salon or go for a bending so that we will have a nice hair every day. I will just buy this hair dryer to save your ass. I'm just kidding. Yeah, just buy this one. This is not sponsored, okay? So just, yeah, I recommend this product. The quality is good. It's not heavy. When you grab, what do you call this? The grip is good. Yeah, when you grab it, it's nice to your hand. You can hold it very comfortable, okay? So, okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!